that is a greater gathering of believers, where Muslims from all over the world have to come together every year, all dressed in pilgrim white, all equal before God. They would come together as brothers. They don't look at their races or their culture or their tribes, the color of their skin, their nationality, because as Muslims we all believe that between Muslims there are no races and no tribes. This is what the Prophet told us. But all Muslims are brothers, regardless of their colors, regardless of their stock, their kindred, their generation, and their tribes. Ang tanan pagdalain sa Allah lamang sa Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ang adlaw na Jumaa, labing importante alam nato tungod kay mao man ni adlaw nga ang tanang mga tumuluo mag-iusa dili lang sa pag-ampo apan aron sa pagpangita o mga solusyon sa ilang mga gumulha. Ilang kaadlaw gikan karon ang mga Muslim nga nagikan sa lain-laing kapit sa kalibutan mag-iusa padulong sa Makkah aron sa dimaan sa tinuig nga panaghiusa, sa tinuig nga Hajj. Niining mao nga tinuig nga pagduaw, ang mga tumuluo dili pag-iisip sa iyang kaugalingon nga nasod or sa iyang tribo or sa iyang rasa, sa iyang pamanit o sa iyang pinulungan, inunua, iyang una-unaon, maura gayon na siya o sa ka-Muslim o ang mga tao nga iyang ikahimamat sa mga panahon, mga tumulo sa kasama kaniya nga nagikan sa lain-laing kapit sa kalibutan. Mauni, tinuig nga pag-atuman sa Hajj o kining pagduaw. O ang katuyuan ini is ang pagbalingkod sa atong mga pagtuo pinaagi sa pag-confirm. This is one way to strengthen the faith of a Muslim, because through the Hajj he would be able to confirm what he has read. Kining ato basa sa Quran, nag-mention ang Quran o Arafah, Mina, o Makkah Mukarramah, or naghisgot o mga special mga dapit, pero man ta kita aning panahon na mauni siya pag-confirm anang mga naa sa suod sa Quran nga atong gibasa. In other words, makapalingkod ni siya sa atong pagtuo, because our faith is existentially verifiable. Kana bang dili ka magduha-duha, you will not doubt in your faith. Instead, you will grow stronger. Your faith will be strengthened, and you will have a complete faith, not just of a moment, but you will reach the level, the stage, both of ma'rifah and also the stage of yaqeen, so that we will grow 100% in our faith. Islam as a religion has taught us that life in this world is just an amusement and play. It's like a game. You notice, we were not here 60 years ago or 70 years ago. We were not here. Sabay pinakatiguan natin diri. Ano yung 100 years? 100 years ago, all of us were not here. And now we're here. After this, death will come to us, one after the other. Then What are you thinking on? We will also cease to exist. Wala na ta. After that. The next generation will follow. Our children, after them, they will all pass away. The next generation, our grandchildren. When we start thinking about this, we realize what is the real purpose of why we are here. Kung sabay tinuod na katuyuan kanungi at adiri. Are we here to become rich or to become poor? Are we here? Did we exist? And the only purpose of that existence is that we all fade into oblivion. We suffer every day. We're so poor. We're empty-handed. We have nothing to eat, nothing to drink. We have no shelter, no protection. Is this the kind of life that we expect? Is this the real purpose why we exist? Or is it the opposite? The other, when we are born from our rich and wealthy parents, of course we have everything. Everything we need is there. Is that the only purpose? Accidental ra ba to? Natawo ta, aksidente, gikan sa usa ka adunahan o usa ka problem na ginikanan? So kung mamalandong ta, if we will start thinking, we have to go beyond the normal perception. We have to emancipate atong pataas-taasan ang atong paglantaw because that is not the purpose. Dili na siya mo'y tinuod nga hinungdan. Naapay mas taas. Because before we exist, to atay gigikanan nga kalibutan. Ang kalibutan sa gaib. The world of the unseen. Remember when we die, what do we say? We say, Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. We are from Allah and to Him is our return. Meaning, originally, we are not from here, but we are from Allah. What world is that? Kung sa to siya nakalimutan, Allahu a'lam. Kasulti mo, kasulti ko, naara sa atong kalaunan, naara sa atong conscious na mind. It is in our consciousness. Kung asa tagikan, we will return to Him. So, kay mubalik man di ay taniya, we have to be aware na pagbalik nato dito niya, mutan-unta kada usa. We have to always understand, we always have to remember that when we return to Allah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will start asking you and me, what have we done? Sa dito pamos kalibutan, when you were in the earth, when you were in the planet Earth, what have you done? What did you do? Dito ka for 50 years, or 60 years, or 70 years, what did you do there? Kung sa imong gibuhat dito, natawo ka sa imong ginikanan, kunya sa imong gihimo, itako ka, di-eskwela ka, di-trabaho ka, naminyo ka, nanganak ka, namatay ka, yaniya ka na ron. Kung sa imong gibuhat in all those years, every one of us will give a full account of everything we do, bad or good. So, with that in mind, samtang naana si una-una sa atong mga galamhan, kung sa may tinuod di ay, nga una-una. Well, of course, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala nagsulti nato 1,400 kapit katuig ilabay, matut sa Allah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَمَا خَلَقْنَا الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونِ. We have God created man and jinn so that they would render service to me, service to Allah. What is that service? Remember, the word يَعْبُدُونَ is from the word abd. Abd, it means servant. One of serving Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is to worship Him. One way of serving Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is to implement His words, obey His laws, live tanan nato nga values, ang atong ethical precept, ang atong standard of morality, ang atong culture, ang atong civilization, were all bound within the limits of Islam, within the tenets of Islam. We should not go out from Islam. This is how we would be able to serve Allah. Kada pangwingon ng Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, "Hurimat alaykum al-maytatu wad-dam wa lahmul khinzir" ila akhir al-ayat. Haram alam kaninyo ang patay, ang dugo, ang unod sa baboy, etc. Kung saan man natin pag-operationalize ani, dili ta mukaon ani. Pag-ingon sa Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala na haram alam kaninyo ang khamr. Uinom ba ta o makahubog? Kay haraman matod pa sa Allah ta'ala, of course dili. Pero gawas na dili ta mainom, di sa ta mag-manufacture. Gawas na di ta mag-manufacture, di sa ta magbaligya. Gawas na di ta magbaligya, dili ta magpalusulod ini nga mga butang sa atong dapit, o sa atong katilipan, o sa atong syudad, sa atong probinsya, o sa atong region, o sa atong nasod. This is the consequences of that. This is what it implies. In other words, kung magsulti ang Allah Ta'ala na ang tanang babae mag-hijab, balawad mo na, everybody should follow. If Allah Ta'ala says so, then we have to obey. And obeying does not simply mean that we have to say, okay, I will follow.